Today we are tackling configuration management, a critical topic within the change theme for your PRINCE2 exam. The purpose of configuration management is to track and control all the products of the project, ensuring their integrity is protected. The exam will test your understanding of the 5 core activities involved. These are planning, identification, control, status accounting, and finally, verification and audit. Let's start with planning. This happens during the initiation stage, where you create the configuration management strategy. An exam question might ask what this strategy defines. It outlines the procedures for the other 4 activities, the tools you'll use, and the roles and responsibilities, like who will be the configuration librarian. Next is identification. This involves giving every product, from management documents to specialist products, a unique identifier, version number, and owner. For example, a login module design might be identified as CRMD-04, version 1.0. This information is logged in a configuration item record, which is essentially a biography for each product. The exam may ask what a configuration item record contains, so remember it tracks the item's history, status, and relationships with other items. The third activity is control, which is all about managing changes. A crucial concept here is the baseline. A baseline is an approved, frozen version of a product. A common exam trap is to confuse this with a draft. Once a product is baselined, like when the project board approves the project initiation documentation, it can only be changed through a formal change control procedure. You can't just make a quick update. This prevents uncontrolled changes, also known as scope creep. The fourth activity is status accounting. This is the reporting aspect. It provides a current snapshot of any product's status. For instance, a product status account report could tell the project manager that the login module design is now at version 1.2 and its status is approved. The final activity is verification and audit. This checks that the configuration records are accurate and match the actual products. An audit might confirm that the version of the software on the test server is indeed the version recorded in the configuration library. Don't confuse this with quality control. Quality control checks if the product meets its requirements, while a configuration audit checks if the product matches its documentation. To remember the 5 activities, use this phrase: planning is controlling, status, and verification. This covers planning, identification, control, status accounting, and verification. Understanding this structured approach is key to showing the examiner you know how to maintain control in a PRINCE2 project. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.